New at 6:30, President Trump's pick to lead Health and Human Services has opened the floodgates on the debate over your drinking water.
Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has called for removing fluoride from tap water. So we wanted to look at the concerns, the benefits, and the potential impacts on millions of Arizonans.
Is that front tooth coming in yet? Is it there?
Yeah.
Every day at Rhesus Dental and Braces,
Let me see your smile again. Bite down.
Dr. Elizabeth Walton sees young kids with cavities.
How quickly can cavities develop?
As soon as you have a tooth in your mouth, honestly, unfortunately, and we do see them that early. Dental decay is caused by bacteria. So once you have the bacteria in your mouth and you've had significant issues with cavities, your mouth has been colonized by the bacteria and you're never going to get it out. So if you're a kid and you had a mouthful of decay when you were 5, you're the kid who's going to be calling your mom when you're 35 saying, "Mom, I got another cavity."
That's why, a few miles away, the city of Phoenix has been adding fluoride to its drinking water since 1990.
Phoenix spends $582,000 to add the naturally occurring mineral here to people's tap water. The CDC estimates that annual investment saves Phoenix residents more than $22 million worth of dental treatments each year.
Bad dentition results in bad nutrition. Bad nutrition results in bad health.
Arizona Public Health Association Executive Director Will Humble says improving people's dental health has all sorts of benefits, from better pregnancy outcomes to improving people's job prospects. It's why public health agencies consider fluoridation a historic success.
The CDC and the World Health Organization both identify it as among the top 10 public health interventions both in the U.S. and worldwide.
4 million Arizonans get fluoridated water, about 57% of the state's population. But Trump's nominee for HHS Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., has claimed fluoride is associated with cancer and IQ loss. He says the Trump administration will advise taking fluoride out of the public water supply. At least 170 U.S. towns and cities have stopped using fluoride since 2010, including Bisbee in 2018.
How soon do you think we would see an effect in children's dental health if fluoride were removed?
It's not like you're going to see immediate cavities coming into doctors' offices and Mr. Trump and Mr. Kennedy would be gone and out of power by the time the real detrimental effects on oral health would be seen.
RFK points to this study last year from the National Toxicology Program. It concluded with moderate confidence that high levels of fluoride in water is linked to lower IQ in kids. That level of fluoride is twice as high as the federal standard that Phoenix uses, and the study did not establish cause and effect, just an association. Humble gave us an example that shows why association studies aren't always useful.
People with tattoos have a lower life expectancy. Now, the tattoo didn't cause the lower life expectancy, but people who have tattoos have other risky behaviors, so they don't live as long.
Still, Dr. Walton knows some parents may have concerns.
You know, it's not for every family. And what's important to recognize is that if something changes and there's no longer fluoride in our water, there are things that we can do to prevent decay in other ways.
She says parents can talk to their dentist about other ways kids can get fluoride without the tap water.
Yeah, because fluoride's already in toothpaste, so why add it to the water?
Yeah, it's in mouthwash, it's in floss, but how many kids are actually flossing or using mouthwash? You know, dentists say you're supposed to, as a kid, brush your teeth for 2 minutes, 2 full minutes, twice a day. Children are not doing that. And so study after study has shown that kids have a deficit in the fluoride that they take and that the tap water is the best way to fill the deficit. What's interesting is that, you know, we mentioned a lot of cities have done away, about 170 have done away with fluoride over the years. Some cities have brought it back. Calgary, Buffalo, New York, they've brought it back after they saw how much of an impact it had on dental health.
It is a hot topic. I feel like so many people have questions about it.
Oh yeah, no doubt. And we have more information on our website. And just a quick sort of aside on, we mentioned, you know, Robert F. Kennedy thinks there's a link between bone cancer and IQ loss. Talked about the IQ loss. There's also the American Cancer Society says there is no strong scientific link to bone cancer, in case you were wondering, by the way.
Thank you.